A couple of weeks ago, my Dorenzo Eclipse just stopped working. I would wind it and it would work again, and then it would stop again. I contacted Dorenzo Watches, and I got a personal email back from Sergio, the owner, telling me no problem, we'll take care of it. Gave me the address to ship it to in Maryland Watchworks. They fixed it, no problems, no questions, under warranty, great service, and returned to my door yesterday. Couldn't be happier to have it back in my hands, on my wrist. I love the watch, and if you don't have a Dorenzo, you need to get one in the collection immediately. They're just exceptional watches for the value, great design, great quality, and great personal service from the owner himself. Thanks, Sergio. Love it.